Okay, hello everyone. Today our topic is ERP. What is it? So today we are going to discuss about what is ERP, what are the components of ERP, what are the benefits, uh, how ERP is important in the software field. So first we discuss about what is ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. The simplest way to define ERP is to think about all the core business processes needed to run a company. First, we discuss about the company. If you take an example of manufacturing company, manufacturing company that manufactures a product. So for a product nothing but material in SAP world. So product material, we need a raw materials for the manufacturing company, and raw materials can be make it as a full product, and then the company sell the product to other customers. This is the flow. So company manufacturing company purchase or procure materials from many suppliers, and then the raw materials can become a full product, complete product, and then the manufacturing company sells that product to different customers. So here two main two processes involves. One is procure the material and sells the product. So procuring is one core process, like procuring from different partners, different suppliers. These are all coming under procurement. And selling is the other part, the other core process. Every manufacturing company, procurement and sales. These are the main core process. And uh, along with, when you procure a material, we need to pay money to suppliers, the manufacturing company. Whatever the manufacturing company pays money to suppliers, whoever send the raw materials. Here pay pay comes into the picture. Pay means finance. So uh, when we receive materials from partners, suppliers, we have to pay them for the materials. And same way, when we sell the product to customers, customers will pay to us. So payment is involved in both processes. So here payment comes into finance. Finance also, it's a core process. So finance, sales, procurement. These three is a core processes in the company, manufacturing company. Along with manufacturing a product, it's not a simple job. It's a difficult job, and we have a lot of process involved in manufacturing. One is supply chain. Supply chain also one of the core process. Supply chain means like materials to be ready for production. The supply chain makes sure materials needs are ready to be production. So to keep materials on time, and for customers to for products, customers they want products on time. Supply chain is very important key role here. So supply chain is one of the key process. And also manufacturing is one of the key process. Manufacturing decides like capacity planning, work centers, resource utilization, everything comes under manufacturing. And then next, employees, HR. So every company there are a lot of employees, and the company needs employees management, their salaries, their benefits. There are a lot of activities involved that comes under HR. Uh, HR and services. Some companies like require services from other vendors, some services from internal company. Yeah, some related services required. So services also one core process. So all these like procurement, sales, manufacturing, supply chain, finance, HR, and services. These are all core process for a company. So ERP helps to efficient manage all these processes in an integrated system. Other definition of ERP. ERP is a software that helps you run your entire business. As I said, all core processes involved in ERP. ERP is a software that contains all the core processes. So it is easy to uh, I mean, it is uh, if we use a ERP, we use all processes in a single software. Okay, we'll go to next step now. Why ERP is important? Since ERP is inbuilt of all core processes, ERP system provides the automation, integration, and intelligence that is essential to efficiency run all day-to-day business operations. As I said, ERP is a combination of all core processes. So it is easy to automate, integrate, and intelligence for the software applications. Most or all on an organization data should be reside in the ERP system to provide a single source of truth across the business. So here we have all the processes data in a single software, single ERP. We have all the data. So it is easy to analyze the data and quick making the quick decisions. So it will be easy because all data reside in single system, single ERP system. For example, finance requires an ERP to quickly close the books. So finance needs data, finance team, sales department needs ERP data to manage all the orders, and logistics team also relies on ERP data. So every team in the company, there are different departments: procurement department, sales department, finance department. Every department they wants data. They don't need to go different. They don't. I mean, whoever uses ERP, they don't need to go separate softwares because we have a ERP system. We have all data. I mean, every department can use ERP data. So it is easy and helps helps making quick decisions. Okay. Uh, this is importance of ERP. Now we'll go to next topic. Components of ERP. As I said in previous slides, so we have a many core business process. Here some there are a lot of other features also there, but main components are here. One is sourcing and procurement. Sourcing means like sourcing. Every company needs sources where the raw materials can be available. But I mean, in sourcing model, we can find a better source of raw material supplier. So raw material supplier, services suppliers, so whatever it is. So sourcing is a very important core process and also procurement. So after finding the source, so we manufacturing company then procure the material. So second component is manufacturing. Manufacturing involves all core process of manufacturing activities like capacity planning, work center utilization, resource utilization, like flavors mixing and all. Then it's a core. All processes includes manufacturing and supply chain. Supply chain, as I said, make sure. Uh, Receive materials from partners and send materials to customers and send materials to third party vendors to for subcontracting. These are all contains supply chain. And finance involves payments, billing, invoices. All these related topics comes under finance. Finance is key process in entire SAP system. Finance involves in every core process like procurement also links with finance. HR team also links with finance. Sales team also links with finance. Every other core process involves with finance. So finance is key key core process in entire ERP. And sales is customers can place orders and we supply products to customers. This involves sales and HR. HR also employees management, employees benefits, employees salaries, employees responsibilities. Everything comes under HR. Services nothing but nothing but services. We procure services. We utilize services from other third parties. Like there are a lot of activities involved on that. And asset management. Asset management also one of the key process. It involves maintain all the assets and this is mostly comes with finance. So asset management is one of the key role here. So these are all main key core processes in the ERP system. All ERP systems could be available all these core processes, but some of them should be comes in ERP process. Like some ERP systems who contains only like sourcing and procurement and sales and manufacturing, and some ERP systems contains only finance and supply chain like that. But uh, actual ERP means like ERP system should have all core processes. All these are all the components important for ERP system. Now we discuss about ERP integration. Today's ERP systems provide a numerous range of business functionality, but they still need to connect to and synchronize with other applications and data sources such as CRM and HCM software, e-commerce platforms, industry-specific solutions, and even other ERPs. See, today we have in ERP, we have it covers all core processes, but still uh, we need some specific like third-party systems, like government systems, like third-party systems or like CRM system. Uh, it's not come into ERP system. If you want to connect with other system, ERP is a friendly and open and flexible. We can easily connect to any other systems from using some adapters or APIs. So uh, ERP systems are open and flexible. For example, like we have already ERP system, and we have a service now. Some other ERP systems also, like PeopleSoft, service now, PeopleSoft and all. So one customer can use like multiple ERPs, but we can connect using like adapters or application programming interfaces. So ERP integration is easy and flexible. And benefits of ERP. ERP. So as I said, all core processes are in a single system, right? So we have a higher productivity because streamline and automate your core business processes to help everyone in your organization do more with fewer resources, deeper insights, eliminating all information silos, gain a single source of truth, and get faster answer to mission critical business questions. Here, as I said, we don't need many systems for many processes. We have a single system. We have a single source of data, so we easily. We have a more flexible to get all the data in a single system, and that helps to take a quick decisions, accelerated reporting, fast track business and financial reporting, and easily shared results. So here, reporting also can be easy for developers or any business people. They can pull all the required information from a single system. So it is and easy. Act on insights and improve performance in real time. Lower risk, maximize business visibility and control, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and predict and prevent risk. So we have a low risk because we have a one system. There is no integration with other systems, right? I mean, there should be integration, but minimize the integrate with other systems for at least for core processes. So we we have less risk because there is no connectivity issues and some internet down, I mean sometimes we have a internet risks. So those are all we don't have here. Simpler IT. So it will be simple. For it is a single day system, right? It's a simple. We have a, like we call it a simple system. Types of ERP deployment. Here, this is the important. If you go to any ERP software, any ERP system, we have a couple of deployment options. Mainly, we have three deployment options. One is cloud ERP and on-premise ERP and hybrid ERP. You all know cloud ERP, what cloud, what on-premise, what hybrid. So cloud ERP is a web-based solution known as software as a service, where organization access and stores data on any device with the internet connection. See, if you take a there are a lot of cloud providers like Amazon Web Services and SAP. There are a lot of cloud providers. So they provide ERP system through cloud. So we just connect to cloud and we can integrate all our business processes. So here the main advantage of cloud system is so we can connect from anywhere from any system, and also there are no server maintenance. There are no sub. I mean there are no server maintenance. There is no server maintenance, and another advantage is uh, it's all up to date, like because providers, so they will make the software up to date, so no need to updates every time, like they'll take care of all the updates and all. So we always up to date softwares. We always have a up to date softwares. So that are the main benefits. And drawbacks, definitely, if you some drawbacks will be, we have some drawbacks, like what are those drawbacks? We don't have a uh, full control of that ERP software. If you want to make any changes, we need to go contact cloud provider, and they will make the change. We can't do any changes, like we don't have a full control, support and ownership. uh, if you want these benefits, you go to on-premise ERP. On-premise ERP is implemented on-site and maintained in a physical office space within an organization, hosted on a company owns computer and servers. For a we have a full control here, support and ownership of the entire system once implemented. Main advantage is full control support. We have all data with our systems. So the drawbacks are we can't connect from anywhere with any device. We need a server maintenance, regular server updates. If there is any update on the software, we need to manually install the software and we maintain that software. That's the main drawbacks for on-premise ERP. And the other deployment option is hybrid ERP. Hybrid ERP, some or most of the customers, they choose a hybrid ERP because every information can't be shared on cloud. Like every company has some confidential information, confidential process, confidential like flavors and all. They have some confidential information. For that information, they want one on-premise system. They don't want to be shared in the cloud. That's why they go for hybrid. Some non important applications like procurement, some other information, they will go to cloud. But whatever they have felt like it is a confidential data, they go with on-premise, yeah, applications. So that way they choose a hybrid ERP, and they will get both advantages with hybrid applications. So these are the different types of ERP system. Yeah, this is completed. So now we'll have a one opinion on ERP systems. we can discuss other topic in next one. Thank you.